Hello students, very good morning. This is your math period. So let's continue lesson number 11, money. Okay. So as you know, yesterday we have completed class assignment 11D, and today we are going to solve home assignment 11P, page number 158. Clear? So all of you open the page number 158. Look at this page number 158. Okay, so come to this page. Number 158. Let's solve home assignment 11B. Okay. First question, write the following amounts in column and add. So write the amount in column and then add it. So rupees 14, write in rupees column. 50 paise, write in paise column. Rupees 9, write in 9, write it rupees column. 10 paise, write in paise column. Now add it. 0 plus 0, 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 9 13, carry 1 at 1, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, clear? Come to the question number B. Rupees 21 and 20 paise, rupees 19 and 30 paise. Okay, so rupees 21, write it rupees column. 20 paise, write in paise column. Rupees 19, write it rupees column. 30 paise, write in paise column. Okay, now add it. 0 plus 0, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 9, 10, carry 1 at 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. We get here rupees 40 and 50 paise. Clear? From the question C, rupees 20 and 40 paise. So rupees 12, write in rupees column. Okay, paise 40, write in paise column. Rupees 19, write it rupees column. 10 paise, write in paise column. Now add it. 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, clear? 2 plus 9, 11, carry 1 at 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so here we get the answer rupees 31 and 50 paise. Clear? So students, D, E and F, SW. Okay, A, CW, B, CW and C, CW. Clear? Now come to the question number 2. Write the following amounts in columns and subtract. Here write the amounts in column and then subtract it. Subtraction questions. Okay, so A, rupees 19 30 paise from rupees 29 and 30 paise. Okay, so first of all write the bigger value of rupees. Okay, so means write it bigger number. Okay, so rupees 29 here. So rupees 29 greater than rupees 19. First of all write the rupees 29 in column. Okay, so rupees 29, write in rupees column. 30 paise, write in paise column. Rupees 19, write it rupees column, rupees 30, sorry, paise 30 paise, write in paise column. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0. Okay. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. We get it here. Rupees 10 and 0 paise. Okay. So we get it rupees 10. B. 54 and 30 paise from rupees 68 and 70 paise. Okay. So bigger number is 68. Okay. So write first. So rupees 68 in this column. 70 paise, write in paise column. 54 rupees, write in rupees column. 30 paise, write in paise column. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0. Okay. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 5, 1. Clear? So we get it here. Rupees 14 rupees and 40 paise. Now come to the question number C. 48 rupees. Okay. Write in rupees column and 80 paise, write in paise column. Rupees 34 and 60 paise, write in paise column. Clear? Now subtract. 0 minus 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. We get it here. Rupees 14 and 20 paise is the answer. Clear? So students, question number D, SW. Question number E, SW. And question number F, SW. Clear? C for classwork. Clear? B classwork and A classwork. Clear? So 3 questions from question number 1, 3 questions for classwork and 3 questions for homework. In question number 2, 3 questions for classwork and 3 questions for homework. Students, solve these questions in your book. Clear?